Hey everybody, welcome back to Mrs. Rattlecan's house. I am James, and this is the week in review number 37. Not a lot going on this week. We started constructing the master bathroom vanity, as well as cutting the oversized blanks so that we can apply the Formica. We put the first coat of paint on the kitchen doors and the drawers. We put the doors on the vanity in the tiny bathroom, as well as the backsplash and the side splash, and hooked the sink up, installed the mirror. Now we're just dealing with a slow drain with a combination of hot water and vinegar, and it's getting better without having to do anything drastic to it. I have been working in various parts of the house, trying to get there are gaps in some areas between the back of the heater covers and the wall. So we're using some caulking to fix that. We're working hard in the master bathroom to install Mrs. Rattlecan's soap dish and cup, making a little bit of a mess. I'm going to replace the tiles that you can see once the vanity is installed with tiles that you won't be able to see from down below. And we are progressing nicely until I dropped my chisel into the wall space. So you're welcome to the next homeowner that discovers it. And that's about all. Oh no, wait, we got counters. The counters came today. Recycled glass countertops. And they look nice. The seams are, I can find the seams, but I have to look for them. And but that opens up now a whole plethora of things to do. We have to get the sink installed. We have to get the garbage disposal installed. We have to get the instant hot water heater installed. We have to get the plumbing installed. We have to get the faucet installed, and we have to modify the counter cabinets to get the cooktop to fit, and we have to install that. We have to relocate a gas line. We have to put in the oven hood. So, you know, little things like that. And then Mrs. Rattlecan has already started her, I don't know, nesting. She has arranged and found a selection of pillows that I'm currently not allowed to sit on. And that's about all that's going on. It was a glorious day today. It was 83. We worked all day trying to get the first mowing of the yard done. And we're supposed to get 2 inches of snow on Monday. So spring in Ohio never disappoints. Anyways, that's all that's going on this week. If you have any comments, please put them in the comment section below the sermon notes. We'd love to hear from you guys. And check back next week. Have a good one. Cheers.
If you enjoyed watching this episode of Mrs. Rattlecan's house, consider checking out this video. Be sure to subscribe to us on YouTube, and to get the latest updates on our progress, like us on Facebook. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.
Perhaps we should have some wine.